Hello, Suchanowski and Dariusz, the same team, the perfect team lineup remains the same. Welcome to the next episode. If you wonder how to start your day with the good exercises, this episode is for you because today we're going to show you a 5-minute set of exercises plus breaks like always. Morning exercises, good for your spine. To respect your time, our video has been divided into individual chapters. You can jump to a given chapter by using the hint or move the progress bar on YouTube, which is also divided and signed so you can jump straight to the exercises if you are a regular viewer, if you are our subscriber. If you are a new viewer of our channel, we have to say about two important pieces of information. Information number one, if you got pain, remember that the set of exercises is dedicated to the people who have already been diagnosed. So if it's the first time you feel the certain symptoms, the pain in the lower back, maybe radiating through the leg, the best solution would be to contact your doctor to find out the cause of your pain. And information number two, if you are a new viewer of our channel, in order to safely use our exercises, please watch the video with our warning, to which I leave the link in the card above, somewhere here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
That's it for today. We hope you have practiced with Manja and you will find this set of exercises helpful and you will start your day with us. Like always, we invite you to our Facebook and Instagram. Feel free to comment down below in the comment section. We wish you no pain, lots of exercise, and we will see you next Tuesday. Take care.